What is happening, traders? Welcome back once again to Crypto Educator. We are getting rejected from the top side of the guppy indicator, guys. The last video that I posted about this entire fact was that $44,000 flat on BTC's price action is a key critical lever for good. Now that was very significant because, guys, look, if we are going to be above the guppy, the trend is certainly going to be bullish and the market is going to be looking very confident, maybe with less chops in the price action here and there. Now what we can see is that on the first pass we are kind of getting rejected on the daily time frame, guys. This is something which is, well, to be honest with you, kind of bearish in the small to mid time frames, but we still have 11 hours to close the daily candle. So if you see this daily candle closing anywhere above $45,500, guys, or maybe above $45,000. If you see this daily candle closing above $45,000, then yes, we can expect continuation trend, guys. Probably we're going to be getting into a long form of choppy behavior that will at least take the price action at least towards the lower side of guppy at $40,000 flat. It has little benefit of doubt going on. The price action can certainly pick up from these price points if we are able to hold above $42,500 regions, guys. Now in the small time frames, let's talk about the small to mid time frames analysis right here on the 4-hour time frame. 42,500 regions, guys. 42,500 regions is going to be your key critical level right here. If you start trending below 42500 what, that sounded like a fucking telephone number, but if you start trending below 42,500 regions, it's most likely going to be getting down and retesting $40,000 for good, or maybe even down further all the way towards these levels at $38,000, guys. So we wanted a clear-cut momentum move to the upside. That would have been a good establishment above $44,000 for good, but it looks to me like nope. Bitcoin is like, no, I'ma not do that. I cannot do that right now, folks. Not enough bidding in the market, not enough leveraged long positions in the market to simply push the price action towards key levels, guys. So which is why we can see that this profit taking is already happening onto these levels right here. Let's see until when this down leg extends, but most likely we have kind of set in a midterm top, guys, most likely until the end of this week itself, right? Oh, that reminds me, we're going to take a look at the volatility side of things as well. The 4-hour volatility is picking up and the direction is not really to the upside anymore, guys. So things can look kind of nasty with your downside targets being at $41,000 flat from these exact price points, guys. Now another concerning factor is, guys, most of the trends on Bitcoin in the mid time frames, remember, in the mid time frames, all the trending moves come in strong with RSI above 60, guys. Just like this entire price action region, just like this run from $40,000 all the way towards $40,000 was your RSI being above 60 reads, and it was constantly maintaining that bullish posture in the market, right? But it looks to me like we're kind of resolving this entire grind to the downside now, and RSI has started weakening in the market, so we can expect results according to this right here, which is very fucking disappointing, honestly, guys. This is very fucking disappointing. Before I end this video, let's quickly jump into Ethereum and let's see what's happening there as well, because I do remember, guys, that the ETH BTC ratio had started falling down, and most likely that was your early indicator for this entire trading day as a whole, guys. Ever since we broke out of this grind line right here, things are looking bullish. Things are not looking that bearish, honestly, but look, guys, just alongside Bitcoin getting rejected from key levels, Ethereum is kind of doing the same thing, right? Although we have clear-cut support coming on Ethereum onto your $2,900 regions, guys. Remember, if you lose $2,950, bearishness is what you will see, guys. If you've been watching all of these videos, most likely you do understand that I've been talking about some key price levels again and again. Whatever happens across these price levels mostly stays as a noise, guys. What do you have to do? You have to figure out your time frame, you have to understand the trend, and you have to keep on capitalizing it, guys. Remember, you cannot become a millionaire with one single long position in the market. You have to repeat the process. You have to understand the price action, and you have to change your worldview about trading as well as a whole, guys. Okay, now I'm going to be talking about a thing that I was really thinking about today, guys. It's going to be a little pep talk, a 5-minute pep talk for all of you guys right here. If you have enormous amount of negativity in your brains, if everything seems displeasing to you, if literally most of the things around you are making you troubled, you are not in the right mindset to trade, guys. This is also a key factor, a key psychological factor that I've always found out to be true, guys. If your environments are really affecting you, if literally every single noise is just kind of disturbing you for good, maybe the trading mindset is not there yet, guys. You have to understand that you could cut all the noise that's not adding value to your trading, guys. Remember, you have to cut it. You have to simply cut down everything that is not adding any fucking value to your trading. If you are able to figure those things out, the first thing that you're supposed to do is just cut them out, right? Just fucking throw them away, and then just try to focus on the clear-cut indicators of your own trading behavior as a whole, guys. I'm not talking about these fucking technical indicators right here. Look at yourself as a moving, as a flow of energy, right? And the indicators in your energy is your behavior, is your abstract, is your psychological abstract, is how you think and how your worldview is altogether. Guys, I hope this makes sense to you, but if it does not, you'll try to understand. You'll understand these things as you keep on growing as a trader. You will certainly understand these things, right? Anyways, guys, I hope this video was helpful. At least the pep talks would have been really helpful. If it was to you, you know the deal. Just do that. I'm going to be catching all of you pretty soon. Bye for now.